Hi, I'm Joe with Gramophone, and I'm here today with Tim Stevens from Legrand. And Tim's going to be talking a little bit about Sanus products. So, Tim, what's going on these days with Sanus?
Yeah, so really exciting time in this TV mount category, because more and more technology is being located at the TV itself, and TVs are getting bigger and bigger. For the first time ever, TVs 70-inch and above are outselling TVs 65-inch and under. We're known for TV mounts and being, kind of the premier mount brand, but there is a lot of innovation and new accessories there that can happen. So I want to share a bit of that with you today, specifically on how we're addressing the customer's needs to locate more technology at the television, whether it's an Apple TV or a Fire Stick, or even network equipment like a wireless access point or a power over Ethernet switch. So recently we launched 2 new in-wall multimedia boxes from Sanus. These come as a kit in the 9-inch with power, and there's also an equipment shelf inside of here to allow you to stack equipment inside of the box. The neat thing here is this is flush mount on the bezel, so it's intended to have the mount go over top of it, or with our brand new Sanus 4D tilt mount that I'll tell you more about in a minute, actually fits inside. So all that equipment that you would kind of pinch between the wall and the TV or use Velcro or duct tape before, now you have a nice clean place to put it. And then also these boxes are plastic, so if you're using any wireless equipment in here, it is Wi-Fi transparent. And then also we have a 17-inch version of the enclosure, same concept. And so think of like the Samsung frame television has a separate One Connect box, and you need to manage that. And if it stays locally, that actually fits perfectly inside of the 17-inch enclosure. Again, the flat bezel, so the mount can go over top of it, and it is completely hidden behind the TV, but gives you a nice place to put all your equipment, keep it secure. And then of course the covers are slanted and do allow for ventilation.
Thank you, Tim, for spending some time with
Absolutely.
us. Thank you to all the viewers. We'd urge you to go to gramophone.com to see all of our great brands, including Sanus, and shop at Sky by Gramophone, where you'll always get a secure checkout, fast and free shipping straight to your door. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Or come visit us at Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. Thanks and have a great day. We'll see you soon.